So in order to test whether the vote is not duplicate, so you need to add something more. The first thing will be, now you add one more variable, and this variable, maybe we call whether this is folded, okay, whether this is folded. So in the beginning, you can just set it maybe to be 0 or 1, you use it to determine. Okay, so for example, for 0, that means not yet. So now for this one, it is not going to happen, okay, like this, because you should be like check something, okay, check something. So you need to do something here. First, you want to check the logic this time, whether the vote is equals to something. What's that? Okay, I guess you can see it, because you want to check whether this is folded yet. If it is equals to 0, then you just change it to, okay, let's see the variable here, we just change it or reset it. Okay, maybe reset it. If it is equals to 0, then we set it to be 1, and then this one we're going to send out the numbers, okay, like this one, so you can check it easily. And then for the same reason, you can just go to check out this one. Okay, what does it mean? Now you just duplicate this one and put it here, and now you will see this one should be the number that you're going to deliver. So because now you got this folded, okay, and then it become 1, you will got the number like this one, and there must be one method to reset the data. So this one will be just like, now you got this one, and then maybe you got A and B together, and this time if the voted equals to, okay, because you have already got this one, okay, so you need not check this if this is vote. Instead, you're going to set the voted to -1, for example, or some number that you will not use. Okay, you just set it, okay, when you press it, so you need not have the if condition inside. You just need to, okay, send the number, okay, for example, set it back to, okay, 0, for example, set it back to 0, and then this one, the send number to be -1 this time. So you just have to have this one duplicated, and then now you got to have this one to be, if you receive the number which is the -1, then you just need to clear everything, and then you just set it everything like this as a clear. So basically duplicate this one, and maybe you duplicate it, and then duplicate this one again. So you just set A and B to be 0. So the last part, it is to clear the screen. Okay, so basically I guess you just clear the screen in the beginning. Okay, so that will be like this. And now when you check it, you got 3 parts. The first one is you set the group, and then this is 0, so you can vote it. So once you vote it, you cannot use your Microbit, okay, because it is not 0. Okay, and then for this one, and you can also reset it by pressing A and B together. So you just go back to this one because folder is 0, is a here. So let's see what happened here. So now when you press A, okay, you will see on the other hand, because this is not 0, so you just have to set it to be 1, and then you can just radio send number 1, and this one should be able to receive the number. Okay, let's see, okay, here, and then B like this is not working because you only got one chance. Is it here? Okay, because if you have got more than 1, then you can work out this one.